Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number B9338X. Only 28,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, push button start, easy to read gauges with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.